one pot meal. It's available now. Yes, it is available. So I'm gonna make the one pot. I'm the lazy one. Make it more efficient. So I'll just dump everything in it. So we have the defrost mussels from New Zealand. We have freshly grown vegetables from the garden. I have the shrimp, frozen tiger shrimp somewhere. It's hiding. Yes, yes, yes. Here you go. Here you go. You have the frozen tiger shrimp, so defrosted. Now we have this. Yes, this is Hong Kong branded steamed noodles, shrimp egg noodles. It's steamed, not fried, so it's healthier than the instant noodles. And of course, I did put some oyster sauce, chicken broth, and yes, and what else? Garlic powder and stuff like that. So yeah, and of course, oil. Yeah, oil. So I'm gonna boil it. Once it's boiled, leave it for a few minutes, then it will be ready for ready to eat. Yeah. Okay. So let's before start pouring water in, let's make a photo. So I have shrimp. Yeah, shrimp. Yes, shrimp. Don't run away, shrimp. Yes. Picture time. Yes, picture time. 1, 2, cheese. To make it more efficient, I use hot water. Yes. Hot water, make it faster to boil. So yes, that will be awesome. So now let it boil. Optional, I have some very old grown green onions in the fridge, so it's optional to clear it now and put in the noodles, soup noodles, or leave it for something else. So that's optional, green onions. So dun, 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 dun. Hi. Looks like it's almost ready. I drizzle some sesame oil so it smells much better. Smells much better. Even better. So put some sesame oil, canola oil, and while I'm boiling it, shrimp, it's really easy to cook. It's pretty much, you dump in hot water, it's pretty much done. So it's overcooked. And this one, it's almost done. This is the homegrown freshly picked lettuce. You can actually eat it raw. So this is a simple meal, pretty much easy to make. Picture time. Yes, picture time. So it's done. And so we have the steamed shrimp egg noodles from Hong Kong, well, made in Hong Kong, so it's widely available in Vancouver. And this one is the frozen tiger shrimp from, I believe, India. Yeah, product of India, that's what they say, but I doubt it. But anyway, so it's probably processed in India. So this is the frozen mussels from New Zealand. So defrost it, put it in the pot, boil it, and that's pretty much done. This is the special one, the lettuce. It's homegrown, freshly picked lettuce this morning. So it's available during the summer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course, this is the chicken broth. What do I have? What did I put down? Chicken broth, oyster sauce, garlic powder, sesame oil, and granola oil. So this is the soup base. With the I put at the end, I did put in some green onions. You can see it here. This is green onions, And we have the leftover. Yeah, leftover green onions. I'm going to save it for something else. So pretty much it. So let me just wrap this up in Cantonese quickly. Wrap this up in Cantonese. We have 今日咧就係懶人一餐啊，好懶啊，係咯。咁呢個重點推介咧就係新鮮摘落嚟嘅生菜啦，咁啊攞幾塊落嚟食下啦咁跟住有急凍嘅老虎蝦咁啊，呢個自家種嘅生菜嚟嘅嚇。咁啊急凍嘅老虎蝦整兩隻落去啦，咁啊跟住就急凍嘅紐西蘭嘅青口，紐西蘭青口咁啊 defrost 咗佢係啦，解凍咁啊擺落個煲度滾一滾佢咁就食得啦。咁啊當然仲有呢個係壽桃牌蝦子麵啦，咁啊非常之有卡啦，又豐富啦，有澱粉質，有菜，有蛋白質。蛋白質就嚟自個青口同埋蝦嘅。咁啊好啦，個湯底係咩咧？就雞湯底啦，咁就再加埋啲蒜粉啦，咁啊有麻油啦，有蠔油啦，咁啊當然有芥花籽油做個 oil base 啦咁樣。咁好啦，咁啊講完噶啦，踢啦噃。